Hello, how are you? Now we'll learn class 11th microeconomics, and the chapter is production possibility frontier or production possibility curve. From this, I have already earlier discussed in the previous video. Today I'll take up another small but very important part is your features of PPC or PPA. PPC मतलब प्रोडक्शन पॉसिबिलिटी कार्व और PPF मतलब प्रोडक्शन पॉसिबिलिटी फ्रंटियर, एक ही है, दो अलग अलग नाम है, ठीक है। इनका क्या क्या फीचर्स है? PPC we have done, PPF we have done earlier. Now we shall discuss the features. The two main features, दो फीचर्स है इनका। एक है PPC is downward sloping curve. Downward sloping curve means, देखो, horizontally I have taken good 1, vertically I have taken good 2. Okay, this is 0. Fine. Horizontally take good 1, measure good 1, and vertically take good 2. And AB is your production possibility curve, PPC or PPF. Now downward sloping curve, this curve is downward sloping, मतलब PPC falls from left to right downward. It moves in this way. Okay, PPC falls from left to right downward. Also you can say negatively sloped. You can say that one, no problem. Clear? Second point is that PPC is concave to the origin. Concave means this is your concave, this origin, this is your concave. To understand it more clearly, this is your convex to the origin. This curve is convex to the origin, but this is your concave to the origin. Okay. Now, first thing, why PPC is downward sloping? PPC is downward sloping. The main reason is that if you want to increase the production of good 1, you have to sacrifice the production of good 2, that we have discussed earlier in previous video. You can see it. If you want to increase production of good 1, you have to sacrifice the production of good 2. That is, एक को बढ़ाना है तो दूसरे को घटाना होगा. So they are negative. If one moves on the north, another moves on the south. That is why some sort of, you can say, negative relationship is there in between these two goods within the given resource. You cannot increase the production of good 1 without decreasing the production of good 2. This is one reason this curve is downward sloping. Second point, this production possibility curve is concave to the origin. What does it mean? This is convex, we don't have here. Production possibility curve of PPC is concave to the origin. This is mainly due to increasing marginal rate of substitution. Now what is increasing marginal rate of substitution? Matlab, that's also we have discussed very clearly, elaborated, very in a detailed manner in the previous video. That also you can see what is increasing marginal rate of substitution, transformation. MRT, marginal rate of transformation. Matlab, here you sacrifice the production of good 2 to increase the production of good 1. This rate of sacrifice keeps on increasing. पहले आपने एक छोड़ा, एक मिला है, फिर 2 छोड़ा, एक मिला है, फिर 3 छोड़ा, एक मिला है, फिर 4 छोड़ा, एक मिला है, फिर 5 छोड़ा तो एक मिला है. मतलब this rate of sacrifice, transformation that you are making is in an increasing order. मतलब ये increasing order में छोड़ा है, पहले एक छोड़ा, फिर 2 छोड़ा, फिर 3 छोड़ा, फिर 4 छोड़ा, फिर 5 छोड़ा. इधर आपको एक एक मिल रहा है. In every stage you are getting one more. That is what is called, you are transforming from good 2 to good 1, and this transformation is in increasing order. मतलब बढ़ते जा रहा है, पहले 1, फिर 2, फिर 3, फिर 4, फिर 5. This is the reason this curve is concave to the origin. that these two features are there. Now if I ask this question, what are the features of PPC or what are the features of PPA? Explain. You can simply explain it. Two features. First one is your PPC is downward sloping. Second one is your it is concave to the origin. These 2 points I have explained. Now another point is there कि can PPC be a straight line? ऐसा straight line का हो सकता है? Your answer is simply no. ना हो ही नहीं सकता है. क्यों नहीं हो सकता है? Straight line PPC अगर आप ड्रॉ करोगे ना तो what does it depict? ये क्या दिखाता है? मतलब आपने एक छोड़ा एक मिलाए, एक छोड़ा एक मिलाए, एक छोड़ा एक मिलाए, एक छोड़ा एक मिलाए, मतलब 1:1. ये हो नहीं सकता. हमारा कैरेक्टर क्या यहाँ पर क्या बोलता है? इट इज बी द सैक्रिफाइस दैट यू आर मेकिंग इज इन इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर. एक छोड़ा एक मिलाए, फिर दो छोड़ा एक मिलाए, 1 2 3 4 5. हियर 1:1 1:1 1:1 1:1. मतलब पहले भी आपने एक छोड़ा, आपको एक मिला है. 1 unit of good 2 you have sacrificed in order to get 1 unit of good 1. Again here you sacrifice 1 unit of good 2 to get 1 unit of good 1. Again you sacrifice 1 unit of good 2 to get 1 unit of good 1. That is, here your ratio remain 1:1. When the ratio is 1:1, in that case the curve will be straight line. But we know PPC is concave to the origin. What does it mean? It means that 1:1, 2:1, 3:1, 4:1. It is increasing. The increasing MRT. पहले एक के लिए एक छोड़ा, फिर एक के लिए दो छोड़ा, फिर एक के लिए तीन छोड़ा, फिर एक के लिए चार छोड़ा. It is increasing. That's why this PPC is concave. So our answer is B, that PPC cannot be a straight line, because if we draw a straight line PPC, it does not fulfill the condition of increasing MRT. ये fulfill नहीं कर रहा है, ये fulfill नहीं कर रहा है. That's why production possibility curve cannot be a straight line. It will be concave to the origin. PPC must be concave to the origin. अगर आपने straight line बना दिया, then you cannot satisfy this condition. आपको ये condition आ जाएगा 1:1 1:1 1:1. Am I clear? This is a very simple video. The topic is very simple, and I think this matter is very clear to you. Now certain more things I like to share with you. Now here I'll show you now. Say up, let's say you are at point A. What does it mean? You are, say, producing 3 units of good 2 and 2 units of good 1. Okay, with the given resource. Now if you come to this point B, what does it mean? अगर B पे आप हो, पहला आप A पे है. If you are at point A on PPC AB, means you are producing 3 units of good 2 and 2 units of good 1 with the given resource. Now if you are at point B, देखो point B कहाँ पर है? Outside of the PPC, right side पे है. What does it show? What does it mean? देखो, you have drawn a new PPC here. That is, the PPC has shifted to the right. When will it happen? It will be possible only when there is growth of resource. आपका पहले जो resource था, with that resource you could have produced 3 units of good 2 and 2 units of good 1. Now your resource increased, बढ़ गया, ज़्यादा हो गया resource पहले से. So you can produce more of good 1 as well as more of good 2. आप यहाँ पर B1 आ गया. So naturally OB1 is greater than OB. And if you take this A1 means OA1 is greater than OA. मतलब ये हो गया OA. This amount of good 2 you could produce. Now you can produce this amount of good 2. मतलब OA 1 amount of good 2 you can produce because of growth of resource. Of course resource ज़्यादा हो गया. So shifting of PPC to the right means growth of the economy of the country. On the other hand, अगर आप इस जगह पर आ जाते हो, say if you take the point C, what does it lie? This point C lies to the left of point A. Point अगर लेफ्ट साइड पे है, अगर point C को आप लेते हो ना, देखो क्या हो रहा है. This is your call underutilization of resource. It means that you are producing less of good 1 as well as less of good 2. यहाँ पर 2 यूनिट हो गया, से यहाँ पर 1 यूनिट हो गया. आपके पास रिसोर्स है, by that resource you can produce 3 units of good 2 and 2 units of good 1. But now you are producing 2 units of good 2 and 1 unit of good 1. What does it mean? आपका जो रिसोर्स है ना, वो आपने पूरा का पूरा सही ढंग से इस्तेमाल नहीं कर पाया. You could have produced 3, but you are producing 2. You could have produced 2, you are producing 1. इसका मतलब क्या, रिसोर्स का अंडर यूटिलाइजेशन हो गया, मतलब वेस्टेज हो गया, मिसयूज हो गया, खराब हो गया, कुछ हो गया, इसलिए आपका प्रोडक्शन ज़्यादा नहीं हुआ, कम हो गया प्रोडक्शन. दैट्स कॉल्ड अंडर यूटिलाइजेशन ऑफ रिसोर्स. तो 3 कंडीशन आपके पास है, पॉइंट ए, पॉइंट बी एंड पॉइंट सी. पॉइंट ए इंडिकेट्स fuller utilization of resource. Point B indicates growth of the economy or growth of the resource, and point C indicates underutilization of resource. That you can show in the same diagram. Am I clear? This is 3 points that can be discussed in the same diagram with 3 different situations. Okay. This is a very simple topic that has been taken up to discuss, and I have tried to do it in a detailed manner. And if you come across with any other doubts on this, you can ask me, you can put your comments, and I will discuss the matter again in the next video. Thank you.